Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my lovely smart student. How are you today? I hope you all fine. And don't forget, Happy Independence Day for our country Indonesia on 76 years old. Merdeka. Dan kita juga harus merdeka dari rasa malas dan terus belajar. Karena tugas kalian itu memang belajar. Oke, next. Langsung aja ya. Open your book, page 6. Di halaman 6 ini, there are two dialogues. Ada dua dialog. Yang pertama, dialog pertamanya itu adalah teacher and Udin. Nah, begini cara bacanya ya. Udin dulu ya. Good afternoon, sir. How are you? Teacher menjawab, good afternoon, Udin. I'm fine, thanks. And you? Lalu direspon lagi oleh Udin, I'm fine too, sir. Thank you. Yang kedua, dialognya Benny and Lina. Pertama, Lina dulu ya yang berbicara. Hi Benny, how are you? Benny menjawab, I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Lina menjawab, I'm fine too, thank you. Next, langsung open your book, page 7. Di sini ada dialog Daddy and Benny. Benny duluan ya yang berbicara. Good evening, Dad. Are you tired? Nah, Daddy menjawab, Good evening, Benny. Yes, I'm very tired. I want to take a bath and then have dinner. Dialog yang keduanya. Good evening, Mom. I feel tired and hungry. Mommy, good evening, Edo. Of course, you are take a bath and then have your dinner. Ini dialog antara Edo and Mommy. The last page, di halaman berikutnya, halaman 8, there are 4 dialogues. Ada 4 dialogs. Dialog yang pertama, dialog antara student and teacher. Yang menyapa duluan adalah teacher. Good evening everybody, how are you? Student menjawab, Good evening sir, we are fine. Thanks, how are you sir? Teacher menjawab, fine, thanks. The second dialog kedua, ini dialog antara teacher and student. Good evening, sir. Teacher menjawab, hi, good evening, how are you? Jawab lagi, I'm fine, sir. Nah, yang ketiga, dialog antara Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Good evening, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Dijawab, good evening, Mr. and Mrs. Adnan, how are you? Jawab mereka, we are fine, thank you. Ini dialog antara yang pertama, Mr. and Mrs. Adnan menyapa kepada Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Yang terakhir, speaker and audience. Speakernya bilang, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, how are you? Nah, audiensnya menjawab, good evening, good. Oke, dari dialog yang udah kita pelajari, masalah greeting. Nah, jadi materi kita dari halaman 4 sampai halaman 8 itu tentang greeting. Greeting itu artinya menyapa. Menyapa itu seperti hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Dan jawabnya sama juga. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you.